Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time here, hi, hello, my name is Helen. I'm so glad you could join me today. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at what I received in April from No Make No Life. I'm super excited to see what I got in here, especially considering this box is like overly stuffed. So we're going to see what is in here. But before we get started, if you love all things makeup, beauty, and fashion, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I post new content on Wednesdays and Sundays, and I would love if you would join my family. And without further ado, roll that intro. All right, guys, we're gonna just jump right into this box here and see what I got. All right, so it looks like the theme of the month is gourmet, gorgeous gourmet, and I'm already super excited. The artwork is beautiful as usual. I absolutely love it. And just to kind of give you guys a little sneak peek of what's in here, here's a little sneak peek of what is to come. All right, I can already see some really exciting things in here. All right, so the first thing I have in here, which is the biggest thing, is this bear bath buddy, which is absolutely adorable. Here is what it looks like. So this is from Japan. Need to relax and digest? Recreate the Japanese hot spring experience at home with this Bear Mineral Infuser. It comes with 3 types of stones which heat up and release rich minerals into your bath and help you to relax. That sounds amazing, and this is super adorable. Let's see, so it tells you how to use it. So you'd fill up the bear with stones, replace the cap, and place in the bath water fully submerged, and then you attach it to the wall or tile with the suction cup. I wonder if there's mineral rocks or whatever in here. Mineral stones. Let's take a look. Oh good, there are. So it's just like a little, almost like a tea bag full of mineral stones. Doesn't really smell like anything, not that I thought it would. So you would just put this, shove this little bag in here, put the little cap on, and so then you would just dangle this into the tub. How cute of an idea is that? That is so adorable. And then it does have a little suction cup. But how cute! This makes me want to go take a bath. All right, next up, there are really cute things in here, like super cute. We have the Dear Darling tint from Etude House. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. So this is from Korea. This is what the packaging looks like. So cute. Looks like it's going to be a little popsicle. So this is from Korea. It's popsicle time. Lock in moisture with this Dear Darling lip tint made with delicious fruit extract. This popular Etude House release is oh so cute with packaging inspired by a classic frozen dessert. Comes in one of 5 colors: apricot, strawberry crunch, shark red, azuki, and watermelon. So mine, I'm assuming, is apricot because it has little apricots on it. I thought maybe it was orange, but they are apricots. And look at how cute this is. This little popsicle. I love it. This is like one of the things when you like sign up and they show stuff. This is like one of the things that they show. Ooh, it smells, look at it, smells like a popsicle. Oh, I love it. Oh, I just realized I still have makeup from my last video on here. Let me take that off real quick because I do kind of want to swatch that. All right, I just want to do a quick swatch of this just to see what it looks like on the skin. Since I am wearing like lipstick, I don't really want to take that off. Oh, it's so pretty. This is going to be really nice for summer. I am excited to add this to my purse. It's so cute. All right, next up we have strawberry point pads. These are so cute. They're little strawberries. And this says Juicy Fruits Point Pack. This is from Japan. The fruit point pack contains 10 fun fruit-shaped sheets, strawberry, lemon, and kiwi. They're made with fruit essence to help repair problem areas quickly. So you just like take these, put them in problem areas, and leave on for 5 to 10 minutes. Super cute. I think, because I do have quite a lot of these point packs, I think I'm going to put this in my summer giveaway because look at how perfectly summer this is. I love it. I think that's what I'm going to do. All right, moving on to the next item. We have Juicy Konjac Sponge. Ooh, fancy. This is what this looks like. This is from Japan as well, the Juicy Konjac Face Sponge. Konjac is a root used in Asian cuisines to thicken and add texture, but recently is becoming popular in beauty products. This sponge is made of konjac fibers that are gentle, even on sensitive skin, and can be used as part of your everyday skincare routine to remove dead skin cells. Get one of 4 kinds, each infused with nourishing ingredients. There's sakura, green tea, peach, and yuzu. Mine is green tea. I remember in one of my past No Make No Life, I think there was a konjac sponge, and I love that for washing my face. I love it. It was definitely gentle, but felt very clean and thorough. So I'm very excited to add this to my collection. All right, next up we have a Betty Boop Choosy mask. I'm assuming it's a lip mask based on the size of this. Super cute. So this one is from Japan as well. Want plum hydrated lips a la Betty Boop? This sweet lip pack comes in one of 3 fun flavors: cherry, cotton candy, and apple pie. So based on the little pie, I got the apple pie one. It says thoroughly clean your lips and apply the pack. Leave on for 5 to 10 minutes, then carefully remove. Super cute. I may do this tonight. I think that's so cute. Love it. All right, we have 3 more items in this box. These videos are always like short and sweet. I love them. They're quick to film, and they're always so adorable. The next one we have is another sheet mask. This is Veggie Garden Sheet Mask in Basil by Skin Food. And this is what the sheet mask looks like. Love this packaging. This is from Korea. The Skin Food Veggie Garden Face Mask. If it's good for your body, it's good for your skin too, says Skin Food. We couldn't agree more. These vegetable and fruit essence face masks are made of 100% cellulose, which is light, adheres to your skin, and locks in moistures. There's 8 kinds. There was eggplant, potato, kidney bean, carrot, basil, cherry tomato, watermelon, and mugwort. I would say out of all of them, the basil one sounds great, and so did the watermelon. But super cute. I'm glad I got this one. All right, we are down to our last 2 items. The next one is a single eyeshadow. This is from Korea. This is what it looks like. So this says the same eyeshadow food series. Want to look like a snack? These adorable eyeshadow comes in colors inspired by restaurant dishes and feature fun food illustrations. Comes in one of 5 delicious shades: miso ramen, gambas al ajillo, beefsteak, rose pasta, and aglio e olio. I know I did not say that right. I don't know which one mine is, but it's cute. It's a very pretty color. It's kind of, it might be that rose pasta, the way that the shade is. All right, last but not least, I saved the cutest for last because I love this so much. This is from Japan. It's a handmade soap, and it looks like a little sweet dessert. Like, look at how cute this thing is. So it says here, did someone say dessert? These beautiful soaps are carefully crafted by a team of 24 people with disabilities, giving them independence and purpose. The soaps are made with vegetable oil, so they are environmentally friendly and are rich in moisturizing ingredients. And they had a bunch of them, but this is just the cutest little, it's like a little strawberry cake with whipped cream and a little strawberry on top. I'm curious how it smells. And it says do not eat on here because honestly, I would. If it wasn't soap, I would want to eat it. Oh, it does smell really nice. I don't really want to open it because I don't want to ruin it. This is one of those, like, I don't want to use it because it is so cute and so pretty. But then it's just going to go to waste if I don't. Super cute. This was a very fun box. I loved it so much. I have 1 more month left till I hit my 1-year anniversary with them, which is super exciting, and I can't believe that it's been a year already, but I can't wait to see what May has in store, and I hope you guys like this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel out so much when you do so, and until next time, guys, bye!